There are many microscope products available to choose from, each with different features, benefits, and prices. I have done extensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best microscopes from reputable brands to help you make an informed decision. After a lot of research, I found these products to be the best for you. If you want to know about the price and other information, please remember to check my description. So without further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 5. National Geographic Microscope. Rating 4.4. Large focus knobs, a soft touch eyepiece, and an adjustable platform make it easy to keep specimens positioned just right. 3 levels of magnification and lights above and below ensure a great view every time. Fascinating specimens. Kids get 6 prepared plant slides in this microscope kit, along with 6 rocks and minerals, and 6 blank slides to prepare at home. They'll be entertained for hours as they explore the microscopic world with this STEM lab kit. Kids will use their microscope to the fullest with the included lab guide, which has viewing activities for several different types of specimens, a super scientist game, and merit badge stickers for a job well done. Number 4. Carson Beginner Biological Microscope. Rating 4.4. Metal body with a 360-degree rotatable monocular head. All glass optics ensure a clear, bright image illumination. Top and bottom LED light. Total magnification 40x 400x. Eyepiece. WF10x objectives. 4x 10x 40x working stage size. 90 mm x 90 mm. Condenser. NA 0.65. Filter wheel and diaphragm. 6 positions. Included accessories. Power adapter. AC 110V 240V. 50 to 60 Hz. Backed by Carson's 1-year limited warranty. Number 3. Carson Pocket Micro. Rating 4.4. The Carson Pocket Micro is a great tool for promoting STEM education, encouraging children to explore the world around them, fostering a love for science and discovery. With 20 to 60x power, enjoy a wider field of view and enhanced perspective to your observations. Ideal for examining stamps, coins, plants, or everyday items. Achieve clear, detailed observations effortlessly with the integrated LED light. LED lighting is crucial for clear viewing, especially in low light conditions. The Carson Pocket Micro MM450 is designed for ease of use. Its straightforward controls mean that users of all ages can quickly learn to operate it. Number 2. Celestron LCD Digital Microscope. Rating 4.4. Our Celestron Biological Microscope has a built-in 5MP digital camera that captures high-resolution images and 30 FPS South Dakota video of your specimen, as well as a full-color 3.5 TFT LCD screen with onboard software. High magnification power, from 40x up to 1600x magnification. With digital zoom, the LCD Digital Microscope 2 is a precision instrument ideal for viewing a range of cellular specimens on slides. Includes 1 GB micro South Dakota card. The Celestron LCD Digital Microscope 2 even includes a 1 GB micro South Dakota card, which provides enough storage to capture over 600 high-resolution images for lab reports, papers, lessons, and more. Number 1. Andenstar Digital Microscope. Rating 4.7. Ultra High Definition 2160p Video Record. 7-inch IPS screen while supporting HDMI output. Microscope screen and HDMI screen can display simultaneously that allows you to see a more microscopic world and free your eyes all the time. The microscope stand can move backward and forward, providing enough soldering working space, suitable for high-temperature environments such as soldering. The UV filter is equipped in front of the metal lens to block soldering heat, smoke, and dust to protect the lens, which is very suitable for soldering and maintenance professionals. Easy to rotate the metal focusing wheel to focus, and rotate the bracket knob to fine-tune the working distance. Quickly access the wonderful micro world. Ending here for today. Every day I will make different good product videos to help you. So subscribe to my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know the price of the product, see my description for any kind of problem. Please comment below. Stay updated with our great products as they will make your life easier and more beautiful.